Hello from autoinsurance.org. We are tackling all the most important insurance topics, and we want to make sure that you get the best insurance for you. Please go to our website and check us out. Use our free auto insurance comparison tool. It starts with answering a few simple questions, and then you get quotes sent directly to you. It couldn't be easier. But today's topic is relevant to what we provide. Today's topic is, why did my insurance go up this month? And if it really significantly increased, it might be time to shop around. Use our comparison tool, compare apples to apples, find out, am I getting the best coverage for the best price that I need? So, first of all, I want to assure you, you are not going crazy. It's not just you. At the Bureau of Labor Statistics, this is a .gov website, they did a study on motor vehicle insurance in U.S. city average, all consumers, not seasonally adjusted. And notice, January of 2014 to January of 2024, it's obvious. Insurance prices are climbing. You'll notice the little dip in 2020 and the recovery there. But ever since then, it has been, and in fact, you'll notice the most dramatic change has been in the last couple years. So it's not just you, it's everyone. So we're going to look at what factors the insurance companies are now factoring that are different from before. And also I want to draw your attention to the fact that it may just be you as well. So first of all, LexisNexis did a full report on some of the different contributing factors of the increase of auto insurance policy premiums. So one takeaway from them was overall claim severities have steadily trended upward since the pandemic. Since 2020, bodily injury severity has risen 20%, while severity for all material damage coverages has increased 47%. So we're not just talking about injuries and deaths here. Insurance needs to think about how they are providing coverage for their members. And if they are able to get their members back on the road in an equivalent vehicle, what is that going to really cost them? So they need to accurately assess these risks. And there are a few factors that have been playing into this increased severity of damages and bodily harm. Electric vehicles. Now, electric vehicles are one contributing factor. It's just what it is. They are heavier than other vehicles on the road. So while the safety tech has kept up with increased speeds and distracted driving, we have a lot of traffic accident mitigation systems in vehicles available today, and that is great, and that has saved lives, but the damages are still edging out whatever gains we have made with the safety issue. Expense is still balancing that out. So one concern that people are having is infrastructure. Guardrails on roads are not equipped to handle the weight of EVs. So I'm going to draw your attention. Our guardrails and crash attenuators are rated up to 5,000 pounds. These electric vehicles go up to 10,000 pounds. That has an impact. And heavier vehicles and distracted drivers, they point out multiple contributing factors. They impact claim severity. So heavier vehicles do more damage. So if you scroll down to what they're noticing, post-pandemic drivers are driving faster and more distracted. The result is accidents with greater severity. And they also point out that trucks and sport utility vehicles are also heavier. So electric vehicles are clearly heavier. Sport utility and trucks are heavier. And the average weight of passenger vehicles on the road increased from 3,200 pounds in 1981 to 4,300 pounds in 2021. So once again, we're talking increased severity of accidents. So if we head over to autoinsurance.org, though, you could have a solution to those skyrocketing insurance prices. Compare quotes from multiple places and find out what you need and how much you're willing to pay for it. So if you start the process by just entering your zip codes, this is autoinsurance.org, the comparison tool that is on the home page, you put in your zip code, and that immediately launches a process that you answer questions. And why you answer all these specific questions is because this information then goes to the providers, and then they send the quote based on the information that you provide. So if you want an accurate quote, you will want to provide accurate information. But no matter what process, no matter what point of the process, look, I'm only 5% by answering that first question. Okay, there's a whole 100% process. But no matter where I go on this process, I can get quotes. A quote bar will show up, and you can even view your initial quotes just on the basis of a Pennsylvania zip code. So please check us out. Use our insurance comparison tool. Couldn't be simpler. But what else factors into why insurance prices have been going up? Well, the legal system. So this is Insurance Information Institute. Legal system abuse has increased in the last few years. So because of legal costs, insurance needs to reassess their risks as far as their costs. So we're not just getting people back on the road in a vehicle anymore. We also potentially face litigation. So I want to draw your attention to Louisiana because they are brought up as an example of this. Legal system abuse in Louisiana costs every resident more than $1,100 annually, according to an analysis by the American Tort Reform Association. The state's litigation environment was also cited by the Insurance Research Council when reporting how Louisiana is the least affordable U.S. state for both personal auto and homeowners insurance because of litigation. So it does have an extreme impact on the funds that the insurance providers have to guess on when they're assessing the risk of the client that they're seeking to provide services for. So I also want to draw your attention, though, to the uncomfortable truth that your driving record also impacts your rates. So your insurance company is not doing a deep dive constantly on you, but if you file a claim, if you are approaching the expiration date for your policy, there are a few other times that the insurance company will run a search on you and just find out, have you gotten in any accidents? Have you gotten any speeding tickets? Have you? All this information can be found on our website, autoinsurance.org, and we have a whole article looking into the factors that affect auto insurance rates specific to you. So things like state requirements, minimum insurance requirements, okay, age of the driver, that is a significant impact on your driving rates, on your insurance rates, your car itself. So if you buy a new car, that might not be this, they don't value that asset the same as your old beater car that you just replaced. High risk violations impact your monthly bill, your credit score impact. So you can scroll this article to find out how you as an individual. So yes, in general, auto insurance rates are going up, but you as an individual also impact that rate. And if, say, some providers are more comfortable with different credit scores, shopping around could be your ticket to getting better coverage at a better rate. So use our insurance comparison tool. Start with your zip code. You can do it all on your couch at home and not make any uncomfortable phone calls. Just type in your information and get the quotes sent to you. If you enjoyed this video, if this was helpful, if you would like more information, please comment below, give us a like, and come back and watch our content for more helpful tips on how you can get the best insurance coverage for the best rate. Thank you.